Another test of the single module version of the first fully provable. You'll see that it has an automatic back and forth motion. Once again, we'll show that the taller marble that's used, the taller weight, is actually able to have an advantage at the beginning of this automatic motion, using the same proportional advantage the smaller marble has to create this motion. So the taller marble will be able to have these same properties, but will actually have a greater proportional advantage due to its longer curve if it's built in the correct way to sustain the larger weight. Now we'll see an example with the larger weight. Get that out of the way a little bit. Look at this with the larger weight when it's in place. Actually, we'll be able to roll on top of the gray member, and we'll have that advantage that we've demonstrated before. Great, thanks.